Alrighty, fellas and fillettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so I have this anti-reversion pipe. Let's just get straight to the point. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can read up on it, alright, if you ever so desire to. Alright, this is just experimental for me. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. There's a few people that have some rear mount turbo setups that have used them because of their cam, and it worked out rather well, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get that same success. Alright, so from the Y pipe down, alright, you have the anti-reversion wrap. Alright, it's wrapped, and then the turbo. Alright, I'm going to try to keep the heat and exhaust pulses within this area. Alright, and the easiest route for it to escape is through the turbo. That's the idea. Alright, let's check out the turbo. You'll see where the wrap continues on. Alright, the wrap continues on. I think that's as much as I'm going to do with exhaust wrapping. Alright, so I'm going to have this whole little heat pressure area to try to really help keep that air moving fast right through that turbine right there, right? That's what I want to do. This is just all experimental, theoretical. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to try it. Alright, if it spins, it spins. It don't. We'll see. Alright, the anti-reversion piece, if that doesn't work, all right, it's a simple removal and a replaceable. Oh yeah, so I got the two V-band clamps. I got it all V-banded up. I want everything to be able to come off easily, still be sealed up nicely for the turbo though, just in case, you know, just in case I got to move stuff around, just in case I want to add something else in line. I don't know. All right, hot damn hell yeah, you're all the baddest. Anti-reversion, I don't know if it's going to work or not. You guys can check out the link in the description. All right, tell me what you think, and we'll see what's up, and when we get it running, we'll see what it does. All right, hot damn, get some.